So once a year, I like to take 3 to 5 days out and detail the heck out of my cards. It's mainly protecting them, a day or two on the outside, and layering up some wax with time for it to cure. And then I do a deep clean of the interior, the engine, and the underbody. Like I said, it's mostly protecting it for the year to come. But in between, during that year, my engine sometimes gets a little bit dirty from dust kicked up by gravel roads, maybe a bit of spilled oil from an oil change, even pulling the dipstick to check the oil frequently. So I turn to my trusty can of brake cleaner. It's mostly made of isopropyl alcohol, meaning it evaporates away before it can do any damage to electrical components. And before it evaporates, it dissolves and takes away the grease and oil with it. The remainder of the dirt can be wiped off easily with a rag, or in my case today, some kitchen towels. I hope you enjoyed the tip. Let me know if you have an easier method, and if you like these kinds of videos, consider supporting me by subscribing. I'll catch you all in the next one.